My child, today I want to give you a little tip how to avoid disrespect. Distance is the only answer to disrespect. Don't react. Don't argue. Don't dive into drama. Simply remove your presence from someone who is likely to disrespect you. When you step away from disrespectful situations or individuals, you protect your emotional well-being. Distance communicates that you have boundaries and you expect to be treated with respect. Reacting to disrespect can often escalate a situation, leading to further conflict. So by choosing distance, you prevent the situation from getting worse. Sometimes, creating distance gives the other party an opportunity to reflect on their behavior and possibly realize their mistake of disrespecting you. Remember, removing yourself from a disrespectful situation is a powerful act of self-care and self-respect.